Last night, I started working on this painting. It is very heavily inspired by a page that I had done in my sketchbook. When I did this page in my sketchbook, it was very much just about experimentation, playing around with the paints, and just seeing what I could really do. I was really focused on just making something abstract. Honestly, that's just what I've been doing a lot lately in my sketchbook, is just making these kind of little abstract paintings. And I love what I've been doing, and ever since I made this one, I've been wanting to make it bigger. Recently, with some of the works that I've been doing, I've been trying to rush and get them done as fast as I can so that I can include the final piece in these videos. But that never feels good to me. Like, it doesn't feel good to rush a piece of art like that. I want to be able to take my time and just really have fun with my pieces. So I am going to work on this a little bit more today, but I'm not trying to get this done as fast as I can. I've always found that my artwork just looks so much better and I am so much happier with it when I give it the appropriate time that it needs. That being said, I think deadlines are really important, especially if you struggle with finishing projects. Having a timeline that you have to commit to will actually force you to get things done, and I think that can actually be very productive for a lot of people. And honestly, with a lot of my other creative outlets, having deadlines like that is very helpful. But with things like this, I think it's a lot more important to not force them and to just let them be. More of a marathon, less of a sprint. I'm really happy with this piece. I love everything about it. The colors, the shapes, the textures, the composition. I think it's all just really cool. I think it'd be really cool if I could start incorporating this style with some of the more realistic drawings and pieces that I do. Right now I don't really see where those could really connect, but I think with enough experimentation, I could find out. The next day, I did some yoga, got a haircut, and then headed into the park. I had recently decided to add some of my older illustration work to my website, and I came across this illustration that I really loved. Originally, I had used it as a background for another illustration, but I remembered thinking while I was making it that I should create something like this as a standalone piece. It's been quite a while since I've made anything like this. I would consider this a true digital illustration. I've made digital paintings and I've done a few small digital illustrations here and there for stickers or for t-shirt designs, but it's been a very long time since I've done anything like this. It just hasn't really been as much of a priority for me. I've been trying to focus a lot more on traditional mediums and honing in what kind of styles I want to play with in that direction. But after looking through some of my old work, I've realized that I kind of miss making stuff like this. This kind of graphic, more illustrative style. I used to do this kind of stuff a lot, especially before I started my YouTube channel, and there's definitely parts of me that have brought this into some of the more traditional work that I do. But this was really fun, and I think I want to do more stuff like this, especially in this style. Like, I really like this black and white graphic style. This is kind of just a reminder to myself, though, that it's really difficult for me to just lean heavily into one medium. Like, I'm always jumping around. Honestly, when I started doing more traditional stuff, I kind of saw myself wanting to just get away from this a lot. But after doing this, I don't want to do that. I want to make more things like this, and I want to make more things like that, and like everything I've been doing. I just want to keep making the things that I've been making. I definitely consider myself a multimedia artist, and I don't think that's ever going to change. I really like all the artwork I made this week. I made 2 really cool pieces, and I made some pretty cool stuff over in my sketchbook. It's just been a really good week creatively. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you also had a good week, and I hope to see you all in the next one.